Kuha tayo ng pangalawang plato, guys. Dito naman tayo sa mga dumplings, guys. Bread rolls. Chicken. Parang hindi ko feel kumain ng chicken.
Vietnamese?
Nay?
Vietnamese?
Filipina. Are you Vietnamese? Kumusta? How are you? Say hi. Hi. Hi to my mom. Are you a cook?
Huh?
Are you a cook?
You mean chef?
Are you the chef?
Yes.
Oh, you still look young, huh?
Thank you.
Mm.
32.
Hmm?
32.
32. Wow, congratulations. Lang yung ating ano guys kasi baka hindi maubos mag bread tayo bread roll sorry butter merong pizza dito guys oh. Try natin yung pizza. Ayan. Pizza. Nalimutan ko kumuha ng ano, guys. Toyo. Soy sauce. Ayan muna ang pangalawang plato, guys. Pangalawang plato. Kain na tayo. Sorry.